Hello, my name is Ugo Hedo, and I'm so excited to be here at Transformational CISO, hosted by Millennial Alliance. I'm really excited to learn about how our industry is evolving and how we can learn about new tactics, new insights, and new strategies that we can implement in our respective organizations.
Terrific event. I don't do a lot of speaking events. It's rare when I accept them, but the team here really gave me the opportunity to kind of pick a topic that I was passionate about. And this is an important topic for me personally, leadership. So it was terrific to have the opportunity to come here.
This is a great opportunity to really come in and understand the operational elements and what other CISO leaders, other folks where privacy intersects security are really going through, and how to advance some of these best practices that you can bring back to your own organization.
I love the Millennial Alliance, and I attend it often because I can be with my peers. The caliber of people that they bring in is worthwhile. I get to network with them in a smaller kind of way, right? So you can get to know them and actually build some relationships. Yeah, I think it adds great value.
There's an entire room that's full of CISOs. That's like my dream. Being able to hear the opinions of 20 people from, some of these are Fortune 500 companies, some of the Fortune 50 companies, telling me what they're doing and how they're addressing these kind of issues is amazingly educational. I was just talking to the CISO of GE for, 30 minutes. That's something you have to pay for normally.
It's a beautiful location. We're here in Austin, Texas at the Line Hotel, so we can't beat that. But what's most important is just the ambiance. The people that are here are unique to the issues that we face. I can actually connect with some of my industry peers and say, hey, how are you tackling the same issue? And I can gain so much insight, which is so rare in our day-to-day experiences. And so I'm excited that I get to learn so much from my counterparts and take that knowledge with me back home.
The caliber of the attendees, the level of the attendees are right. Presentations today were interesting to me. The interactions with the vendors, both formally and informally, were terrific. And I think the support from the Millennium Group getting me ready for the event was also equally terrific. Didn't have to guess, I didn't have to wonder. They took care of it, and so very pleased and very happy.